we've got so much information coming into our brains, and our brains can only process certain amounts of it. And so it will select information that affirms what we're believing. And so that's where manifestation and affirmations come in, where you start creating a different narrative, and then all of a sudden your brain starts cherry picking the information and the evidence that supports that. And then you start believing in yourself. I'm not a massive fan of standing in front of the mirror and telling myself something until I believe it, because I just feel like that's a lie. So yeah, like either using affirmations to start believing stuff and start creating a life and a future that you want for yourself. It's a great tool. Doing that through meditation and breath work is great. Or using affirmations to bring up the exact reasons why you don't believe in what you're saying and then deal with those. So just small steps, pick out the easiest ones, start with those, and before long you'll go, I actually do love myself in these areas. And that's a powerful thing.
Yeah, and what you said too about affirmations, I agree. I feel like for me, I consider them a little corny, but you mentioned that you don't like it because you feel like you're lying to yourself. And I would also say that people a lot of times are lying to themselves with like the thoughts that they think on a daily basis about what they can and can't do. So, like sometimes I try to reason with someone and I'm like, well, if you think that you're lying to yourself, like you actually already are. So at least make it a lie that will attract a little bit more like positive behaviors. Because like you said, the more that we think about something, like we're kind of building these neural pathways, we're telling our brains what to look for. So it's like when you get a new car, you see more of them. So if you're trying to like change the behavior in some way, it's helpful to think about those things and to start kind of saying things to support that.